You're listening Learn Punjabi like a native podcast. Hey everybody, today we're gonna learn how to speak more natural Punjabi. So most of you guys, when you speak Punjabi, you sound like textbook type because you don't speak like informal or natural Punjabi. Like if I need to say I'm watching TV, I won't say like textbook मैं TV देख रहा हाँ. I will say मैं TV देखी जानांगा, alright? And it's kind of a little harder for you guys if you're a beginner. If somebody is like intermediate level, yeah, you can learn that. But how you can speak more natural when you're a beginner? Well, I'm gonna give you little tip. It won't sound you like completely natural because you need to improve your Punjabi overall, like your pronunciation, how we ending the words, informal languages, stuff like that. But today, what I'm gonna give you a tip that's gonna improve your Punjabi, like you would sound like more natural. All right. So, all right, let's get started. We have main three tenses like a past, present, and future. When we speak future, it's not that much different. When we speak future, it's kind of little like a textbook type. Who is same. We don't have much differences in speaking when we speak future. So it's almost kind of textbook type. So but when we speak in the past and the present, there are a lot difference. That's why it's gonna be hard for you guys to understand because we speak totally different. But anyway, there is gonna be a little tip you can improve your natural Punjabi. You would sound like more natural. For example, if we look first in the past in textbook type there's going to be two ending, like if it is a singular then it's going to be end with c, if it's plural then it's going to end with sun. So it is going to be pretty simple, guys. So you need to completely eliminate the sun. Even if it's a singular, even if it's a plural, you need to put c in everything. Like if you need to say like we went to watch a movie yesterday, right? In textbook it's gonna be ਅਸੀਂ ਕੱਲ movie ਦੇਖਣ ਗਏ ਸਨ. But in speaking you would say ਅਸੀਂ ਕੱਲ movie ਦੇਖਣ ਗਏ ਸੀ. So it's pretty simple, just eliminate the sun and then say see. So it's gonna be a more natural. That's how we do. So now in present, in textbook, you would see the sentence going to end with if it is a singular hai and if it's plural then hun. But there are some others. For example, if it is a first person, then it's going to be end with ha. If it is a second person, it's going to be end with home. But when you speak informal in a present tense, you need to eliminate all of them. So if it is a singular then you need to say a at the end, a, right? And if it is a plural then you need to say at the end ne. I'm gonna give you some examples, like singular ओ क्या पी रही है, ओ क्या पी रही है, इसमें she is drinking tea. ओ क्या पी रही है. In natural sentence it's going to be ओ क्या पी रही है, ओ क्या पी रही है. All right, that's how you can. It's not completely natural because we don't say like that. We say ओ क्या पी ਜਾਂਦੀ ਆ, ओ क्या पी ਜਾਂਦੀ ਆ. It's a little bit complicated because if I want to explain these kind of sentences, it's going to be harder for you guys and I need much time for, and even most of you guys are beginner, so it's hard for you to understand. If your level is intermediate level then you can understand that, but you will still, if you say oh cha pi rahiya, right, it's still natural. So anyway, in plural, in textbook you would see oh cha pi rahe han, they are drinking tea. oh cha pi rahe han. So at the end is han. So what you need to do, you need to say oh cha pi rahe ne, oh cha pi rahe ne, and then ne. All right, so it's more natural. So again, but you need to do two things. Like if it is in a present tense, if it is a singular, then put at the end a, and if it is plural, then at the end put name. All right, it's pretty simple. So in the past, it's always going to be C. Don't say sun. All right. So I think it's pretty easy for you guys. So if you make this little change in your speaking when you speak Punjabi, it's gonna sound more natural. All right. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. So I'll be back with another lesson and another day.